What's going on, everybody? This video is dedicated to all my students. Yesterday, guys, we did this analysis of this pair. Like I say, it's easy for people to just show you what they're talking about and then leave you guys to drown, to just trade on your own, right? I'm not feeling okay, but I did the live session and I showed you my mentees this particular pair. If you remember yesterday, and I also spoke about the GBP AUD. You go and check the results, they speak for themselves. I'm not going to put the video here, but those were live yesterday. You saw what I said, you're seeing it unfold on your eyes. That's an account with $1,700, just made 3,842. It was almost 4,500. And it is what it is, my mentees. It is what it is, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. For those of you who are eating, thank you so much. Those are the rewards of paying attention to what I'm teaching. I did this video yesterday. I showed you guys what I'm anticipating, what we want to see. I might put the video on Instagram. I might put it on YouTube here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it. But tomorrow I'll be back and I'll be live again, kicking, because today I'm not feeling okay. I had a cold and a flu, but it is what it is, guys. God bless you so much. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Forex is a gift, man. Thank you so much. I love you all. God bless.